third way in which you can start your business with little to no money is by looking at what grants and loans are available to you. There are some government-backed loans and schemes that you can use for your business. I would always be cautious of taking out loans, especially from the bank, to fund a startup. That is because startups have a certain rate of failure. And even though in this industry, care businesses tend to have a very high success rate in terms of, they are recession proof, they're a need, they're not a luxury. So they can often stand the test of time if they are managed effectively and run properly. However, if you have very little experience in running a business and you have not run a business before, successfully run a business before, I would really tread carefully on taking out loans, because one of the things that you don't want, especially as a startup, is having this thing on your back. You think it's hard enough as it is, just even trying to generate revenue and keep on top of your expenses initially, and the last thing you want to do is be riddled with debt. That can be a very tough place to be. So whilst you can get loans, I suggest that you are very careful, you don't over leverage yourself, you pay close attention to your interest rates, and you make sure that you have a plan in place so that if things aren't going as well as you had hoped, which is very often the case, that you have a way to mitigate your risk. You have a way to pay that loan back without being under severe duress, because that will not only impact you personally, but it will also weigh you down in terms of how you are able to efficiently and effectively manage the business and grow the business. So you don't want to be too concerned with today, and that then impacts your ability to focus on tomorrow. Another way that you can get money for your business is through crowdfunding.